Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Daniel Light once again, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can get a $50 no deposit account. And if you're just seeing my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share to you guys so that they can also benefit with you on how to get the deposit bonus and also how to make money online. So without wasting much of your time, the name of the broker I'll be getting the bonus from is called ITB Market. So straight to the point, you fill in your details. Once you click on the link I'll be dropping in the description, you fill in your details, your first name, last name, your Gmail, you put in your phone number, your password, and re-enter your password, and then you click on terms and conditions on this box here and verify that you're human. Once you are done with it, you click on sign up. Code will be sent to your Gmail. So you head straight to your Gmail, copy the code and paste it in the required box where it is needed. So you click on verify once you're done, and then it takes you directly to the site where you'll be able to claim the bonus. As you can see shown on our screen, the bonus which are available. So just scroll down a little bit, you'll see the $50 open account bonus which is available. So you click on it and immediately a ticket will be created on your behalf, as you can see showing on the screen. And once you're done with this part, you just scroll up back a little bit, you'll see showing up here mobile number verification. So you click on it and then it takes you to this part where you have to just input your phone number, and then the code will be sent to the phone number which you need to verify. And once you're done with that part, it brings you to this next part where you have to put in your nationality, your ID number, and your date of birth. And once you're done with it, you scroll down and you click on submit. And then this next part, you have to select the document which you'll be submitting, either your birth certificate, your ID card, or your passport. So you click on the document which you'll be submitting, and then click on this spot right here, and then it takes you to your file where you just upload the document, or either you just take a picture of it. So one of the two. And once you are done with that, you click on upload photo. As you can see showing here, my documents have been received and it has been confirmed. You just have to wait for support to verify my details. And next, for these three lines showing up here, and it brings the options, and you click on my account, click on MT5 account, and then it takes you to this part where you have to create an MT5 account. So you can see it's already in real account. Click on create MT5, create account, and then it brings the options where you have to fill in details. So you click on account type, you select standard for the account type, and you scroll down and you click on password. Make sure you create a password which you'll be able to remember, because you'll be needing it to log into your MT5. So you create a password and you see the account have been created. So next you have to head straight to our MT5 to log in. But firstly, copy the account number before our MT5. So next, for the server, we put in international trading brochure for the server. As you can see what I just did on the screen, international trading brochure limited. So you click on it, and next it takes us to the next part where you have to put in, you paste the account number which I told us to copy, and put your password and then sign in. So you can see we've been signed in, and next we have to wait for the next 24 hours. In 24 hours we get credited. And for the terms and condition, the minimum withdrawal is $60, and you must have traded 3 lot size, and also the maximum withdrawal is $100, and you must have traded 6 lot size.